Hold it, hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Grab it. Grab it tight. I love you. Hop on the washing machine. I told you hold it tight. Hold it tight. Hold it tight. Good. Hold it tight. All right, let's do some vibrating. I came on your YouTube. I got people loving me, best friend. I know. Monica! I know, best friend. Look me in the eyes. Ow. Tell me what you see. Perfect paradise. I am a bad liar. Let me finish up my coffee. I see brown eyes, Filipino woman. What does that mean? I have brown eyes though. Brown. They're crazy. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Best friend, she snores. I slept over on It's okay. That's best friend. That I'm not laughing, okay? I'm not laughing like to make fun of it. That's a trend, best friend. That's a trend. That is trending. That's a trend. So it's okay. What, best friend? I always say, because I do swear that I don't snore, okay? But you said to me that I snore because I never knew. I never catch myself. I mean, yeah, I did catch like like that, but best friend, I swear I didn't get much sleep. Sounds like I was sleeping. You snore a bit, not bad. So, best friend, the Corvette man, he said it too that I snore, but I said I would not believe because I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it. Can you record me sometimes if I snore? But as I said, it's not a big deal to snore to me if like, let me sleep first, okay? If you snore, let me sleep first. Because if you sleep first and you snore, I can sleep the whole night. But if I'm sleeping and then you sleep and then I'm sleeping first and then I didn't hear any snore, it's not a big deal for me. It's a trending, best friend. Don't worry. That's best friend. It sounds like a French.